Okay, nobody leaves until we figure this out. You all look suspicious, especially you with the face. It's smug. I saw something last night. A blur. Short, fluffy, shifty tail. This goes deeper than snacks. The humans are hiding something. They have a box. It glows. And it makes toast. Gasps. You mean the sacred toaster? All right, Operation Snack Retrieval is go. If I don't make it, delete my browser history. You don't have a browser. That's what you think. Worth it. 10/10. Would betray again. I ate the wrapper. Wait, that was the snack?